Welcome everyone, today we're building a powerhouse PC with a Ryzen 7 CPU and an RTX 5070 graphics card. We're starting with the B850 motherboard, the backbone of our system. It needs to be secured first before we add the brains. The Ryzen 7 processor. Unlock the socket lever, line up that little gold triangle, and watch it drop in perfectly. Then lock the lever down. Next, the memory. Pallas the second DDR5 RAM. We're installing 2 sticks for dual-channel performance. Press firmly until you hear 2 clicks per stick. Check your manual for the right slots. Here's where the speed comes from. The Samsung 990 EVO Plus 2TB M.2 SSD. This is what makes your PC boot in seconds. Locate the M.2 slot, insert the drive, and secure the tiny screw. Done. Speed upgrade time, forever. The foundation is complete. We have the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and the Speed Demon M.2 installed. Remember, this series uses photos to give you a better understanding of what goes into our PC build. Parts for our build are usually provided by our clients. Next time, we face the toughest challenge, the AIO cooler. We'll also deal with a major troubleshooting panic, the DRAM error. Don't miss part 2.